Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook story not showing. So first of all, open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then simply search for Facebook app. Okay, here we go. Then tap on Facebook app. Now, if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. So once your app gets updated, Facebook will be fixing its app crashes and bugs will be fixed as well. Now, another step you need to do to resolve your issue is that open settings on your mobile device. Then scroll down below and tap on General. Now from here, go to iPhone storage. Now from here, scroll down below and tap on the Facebook app that you see here. Then tap on Offload App. Now tap on Offload App again. By doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from Facebook application. Now after some time, tap on Reinstall App. Now wait for some time until your Facebook app is reinstalled. Then after that, if you open your Facebook app, your problem will be fixed. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.